Hey garden friend, welcome back to Dirt Decoded Smarter Soil Better Gardens. I'm the Soil Doctor, and today I want to introduce you to a plant that's about to become your garden's MVP lemongrass. If you're tired of swatting mosquitoes or searching for a plant that works as hard as it looks good, trust me, lemongrass is the answer. It's more than just a kitchen herb, it's a pest repellent, soil booster, and super easy to grow, whether you have a big backyard or just a sunny balcony. Let's dig in. Lemongrass is loaded with citronella. That's the natural oil that repels mosquitoes and pests. Sure, you can buy citronella candles, but nothing beats the real deal. Plant a pot or two of lemongrass near your patio, and you'll actually notice a difference when those summer evenings roll in. And here's a bonus. Lemongrass is a champ when it comes to improving soil. Use the leaves as mulch or toss them in your compost, and you'll add organic matter that your plants will love. Plus, its shallow roots mean it's perfect for containers, borders, or tucking between other plants as a companion. Now let's talk about how to grow it. You don't need fancy seeds. Just grab a few fresh stalks from the grocery store as long as the base is intact. Pop them in a glass of water, base down, and set them in a sunny window. Change the water every few days, and in about a week, you'll see roots start to appear. Once those roots are a couple inches long, plant your lemongrass in a pot or garden bed with loose, well-drained soil. Full sun and regular moisture are key. If you live in a colder climate, keep it in a container and bring it indoors over winter, easy. For care, water regularly, especially during the heat of summer. Hit it with compost tea or a balanced organic fertilizer once a month, and trim back old leaves to encourage new growth. Once established, it's even drought tolerant. Lemongrass doesn't just fight bugs, it also keeps curious animals like cats and deer away, thanks to those sharp blades. And when you're ready to harvest, snip a stalk for cooking. Lemongrass adds a bright, citrusy kick to teas, soups, and stir-fries. Don't toss the trimmings, dry the leaves and use them as mulch or in your compost. Your soil will thank you. So if you're planting anything this week, make it lemongrass. It protects your space, flavors your food, and gives back to your soil, all with minimal effort. If this helped, give it a like and hit subscribe for more soil-smart gardening. I'm the Soil Doctor, and I'll see you in the next one.